Welcome to my detailed review of Tallie, an accounting software tailored specifically for expense management and simplifying the financial workflow of businesses. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform's interface, explore its standout features, and share my user experience so you can see how it might fit into your business operations. When you first log into Tallie, you're greeted with an intuitive and user-friendly dashboard. The layout is clean, and the navigation is straightforward, making it easy to find what you need. The platform emphasizes simplicity while maintaining robust functionality, which is a big plus for businesses of all sizes. One of the standout features of Tallie is its seamless expense tracking. You can upload receipts, categorize expenses, and automate approvals. The platform leverages OCR technology to scan receipts and extract data, which minimizes manual input and saves significant time. Another noteworthy aspect is its ability to integrate with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and Bill.com, ensuring that your data flows smoothly across systems without any manual imports or exports. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video for additional tools and information that may complement your accounting needs. Tallie also supports multi-user access with customizable roles, which is perfect for businesses with larger teams. Administrators can set permission levels, ensuring sensitive financial data remains secure. Another feature that stands out is its mileage tracking, a helpful tool for those managing travel-related expenses. For pricing, Tallie offers flexible plans based on the number of users and features you need, making it accessible for small businesses and scalable for larger ones. The value it offers, especially with the time-saving automation, justifies the cost for many organizations. During my experience with Tallie, I found their customer support to be responsive and knowledgeable. They offer a mix of resources, including a knowledge base, webinars, and live support options, ensuring you're never stuck without help. If you're looking for an accounting solution that simplifies expense tracking, integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, and offers robust reporting features, Tallie is worth considering. It's designed with user efficiency in mind and can make a real difference in streamlining your financial processes. Thank you for watching my review of Tallie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future content. See you in the next video.